is aware.
Team 3, I've spotted it, the whale. It's completely covered in parasites.
Condition critical. Begin descent immediately.
We're approaching. The whale is in rough shape. Parasites cover almost the entire body.
Proceed carefully. Begin assessment and stabilize vitals. These parasites are extreme. Almost the entire body is affected. Document everything. Begin planning safe removal procedures.
We're moving it slowly. Keep an eye on the vitals.
Maintain position. Prep treatment area immediately.
Steady. The bandages need to cover every parasite cluster. Got it. Almost done. The whale is responding well.
Hooked up. Steady. This is a massive operation.
Hold tight. Begin pulling slowly, full body parasite coverage intact.
Steady, don't rush. I've got it, gently. Almost there, perfect.
Almost done, just glide over each cluster carefully.
Look at them wash away, and the whale is finally breathing easier.
Apply evenly, cover the entire body with the treatment foam.
Perfect. Look at how the whale glows. Recovery in progress.
All done. Look at that shine. Completely clean.
Amazing. The whale is finally healthy and calm.